Welcome to this tutorial on how to transfer money in Etrade. First, you need to log into your Etrade account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on the main dashboard. This section contains all the options related to your accounts and available funds. Next, look for the option that says Transfer Money or Transfer Funds. Click on that option to begin the transfer process. You will typically see choices to transfer funds between your Etrade accounts or to an external bank account. Select the method that suits your needs, whether it is internal or external transfer. If you choose to transfer to an external bank account, be sure to enter the bank account details accurately. You will need the bank's routing number and your account number. Review the information for any mistakes before proceeding. After confirming the account details, select the amount you wish to transfer and click on the Continue button. Finally, review the transaction summary to ensure everything is correct. If all the details look good, submit the transfer request. You should receive a confirmation of the transfer, which will inform you of the processing time. That's it. You have successfully transferred money in Etrade. Thank you for watching.